With years of experience in 3D LiDAR R&D and applications, South has now developed a professional team specializing in mobile laser scanning technologies. After releasing 5 systems in 2016, Z-Lab LiDAR is now ready to introduce SZT-R250, another lightweight, high-precision model particularly designed for UAV-based platform. This survey-grade LiDAR is a highly integrated unit featuring largely in modular structure and quick assembly. The Mini Laser Scanner, INS, imaging sensor, and customized mounting rack may be installed onto an industrial-grade multi-rotor UAV with just a few seconds by single hand. High-performance UAV carrier, compact design, one key operation, user-friendly interfacing, and integrated power supply all contribute to a reliable system packaged for ease of use. The LiDAR is 2.1 kilos only, ready to fit most of the industrial copter models on the market. It's extremely lightweight but very productive and efficient. Z-Lab R&D finds a practical way to well-balance convenient use expectation and high-precision demand. The working range of this mini solution achieves up to 250 meters on the condition of reflective rate 60%. A single flight of 20 minutes may cover 20 hectares around. With flight height 50 meters, it comes with 40 points per square meter and expects to control accuracy down to 5 centimeters, which could be great help of 1 to 500 mapping purpose. The 360-degree field of view, multi-target detection, and echo capabilities have enabled this package to easily deal with corridor areas like valleys and forests by penetrating closed canopy vegetations. Besides UAV platform, SZT-R250 can also work with sport utility vehicle, all-terrain vehicle, helicopter, vessel, etc. to run into land survey, roadway development, railway engineering, forestry investigation, mine exploration, power line inspection, and other applications. Z-Lab LiDAR provides a complete mobile laser scanning solution that gets your work done from field to office, including data acquisition, point cloud processing, mapping output, and so on. After importing the point cloud data into the mapping software Z-Lab Mapper, you may generate digital line graphics, DLG, and other relevant outputs. Z-Lab Mapper is a perfect software kit particularly developed for laser point cloud processing. The massive data can be loaded within seconds and supports the superimposed display of point cloud, DEM, vector files, 3D model, panorama images, and satellite maps. And you may also view point cloud section, check model collision, and optimize point cloud accuracy. With the Geodata Factory platform iData, you may enjoy fast mapping of defined ground objects and a number of powerful DLG generation functionalities. While processing, you may also experience split-screen display and multi-window control. Meanwhile, iData is compatible to point cloud data from all the other LiDAR devices, facilitating you a complete solution of point cloud processing and mapping editor. LiDAR Mapper is definitely ideal for massive data of 3D laser point cloud and fast mapping generation. Z-Lab LiDAR team will always present you a highly efficient and scalable package to meet diverse needs in topographic and cadastral survey applications.